Hi guys, welcome to the Metabolic Health Docs YouTube channel. On October 13, 2024, history will be made. Join us at the first ever guys, Metabolic Revolution Rally in Washington, D.C., where we all come together to demand decisive change in healthcare policy. This is a nonpartisan rally which is happening at the Sylvan National Theater right by the Washington Monument from 3 to 4:45 p.m. What we're doing is standing up for real solutions to the chronic disease epidemic and demanding a few things. Number one, a new healthcare agenda from the next president. That's why we're in Washington, that targets the root causes of chronic illness, including, of course, mental health. Number two, dietary guidelines that actually heal us and don't actually harm us. Number three, a healthcare system that doesn't just cover up symptoms, but truly addresses the root causes of disease. So this is exciting. We are on a mission to spread the word about the powerful healing that metabolic therapies can provide, which is why I call myself the Metabolic Health Doc in the first place. And that the metabolic revolution is a call to action for anyone, including individuals like you, healthcare professionals like myself, policy makers like those people who are running for president right now, and of course society at large, all working together to shift the paradigm of health from a model of disease management to a model of embracing solutions that address the root causes of chronic disease. And as you know, most of these diseases are preventable and reversible. So join the metabolic revolution, guys, because we're trying to do a few things. Number one, we're trying to save lives. Number two, changing the status quo. Number three, transforming the healthcare system. Number four, empowering yourself and your loved ones to take control of your health. Number five, building a healthier, more hopeful future for all of us. Together, let's reclaim the health in America and make chronic diseases a thing of the past. So if you haven't done it already, go to the metabolicrevolution.org site, support this great revolution, and we're going to do everything within our power to help the world heal. So make sure to share this video because many people haven't heard of this revolution. And until we have another video from the Metabolic Health Doc, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.